Hello everyone, welcome back again to our channel Coder Circuit. I'm very pleased to say that we have successfully created the first version of the manual for the VTU DevOps syllabus. Okay, so I really thank everyone for your support and I really appreciate all your feedback and reviews. And so what I will do is today I will upload the version 1 in front of you only, and this is the version 1 PDF that I have created for you guys. You can check here. Okay, so guys, this is the version 1 PDF that I have created, and you can see it is according to the VTU syllabus only, BCSL657D. Okay, and here till experiment number 6 you can see here, guys, this is the version 1, and I have tried to curate it like that so that it becomes very easy for you guys to understand. Okay, so what I've done is, you can see here, this is the whole syllabus. Okay, this is the entire syllabus until 12 experiments. Guys, I'm telling you once again, it is not a program, these are experiments, so you will have lots of steps there. So I've given everything, and I have also given here something very important. This is just an introduction to our company and myself, that's all. And guys, here in the table of contents, I've given what students or the faculties will understand, the outcome and the takeaways. And after that, you can see here, very important part, what are the benefits for the participants, maybe faculties or the students. And then you can see here the prerequisites and the software requirements, very important. Please make sure you understand them, and if you have any doubts, always there, I'm available for you in the comment section. You can post all your comments there. Okay, and I will really appreciate if you write comments that you have really liked the video, you have liked the content and whatever it is. Okay, it really motivates me to create more content for you guys. Okay, so just a simple message that thank you for creating the content, creating the manual. It really gets me going to create more better content for you guys, because we are actually working for everyone's supplement. I want to make life easy for everyone. Okay, that is my target always. We at Coder Circuit believe in making things simple for everyone. Any technology, any programming language, we want to make that simple. So with this viewpoint, we have actually started our VTU DevOps syllabus, as you already know, and we have already started with the introduction, and today I'm releasing the manual also. And guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, I'm telling you again, please make sure you subscribe. Okay, please, it's a humble request, and also hit the bell icon so that you get notified about the latest updates. Okay, so here I've said the prerequisites. You need Java and also all these things. You can tell this to the students also, you can take it for yourself also, fine. And all the links are added here, and side by side, guys, here are some installation videos that will help you a lot. And just because this is version 1, it will keep on getting updated, so stay tuned. And at the end, I will create one PDF, one single page PDF, where you will have links to detailed videos which you can look at and understand and go through and finish off one experiment. Okay, that will be my target later, but for that I'm creating the videos. Once I'm done, I will keep on adding that to the PDF with the links, experiment 1 link, experiment 2 link, like that. Okay, that will be done, don't worry. And you can see till here all the YouTube links, you can just click on them and it will take you to those. Okay, if you see here, if I just click on this, it will allow, just click on allow, and it will take you to that particular video. So okay, it will go on like this, and you can skip that and you can see that. Fine, got it? Makes sense. So now after that, very important, please remember what I have told you and read the instructions very carefully. Okay, it is very simple. I've tried to make it as simple as that. And after that, and for the resources, if you click here, you will go to the resources page, where you can see I had updated the last PDF here in the latest docs folder. You can see this was the prerequisites PDF that I explained in the last video. Okay, this was the prerequisites PDF that I explained there. Fine, you can go through it here only from the link. See, I show you the link again here. If I close this, you can see this is the click here option. Just click on it, you will get it. Okay, and after that, then very important, guys, we cannot directly go to build tools, Maven and Gradle. So here what I have done is, I have given you an introduction to SDLC. Why do you need version control and build tools? That and all we have done. And then gradually we have gone on to the topics like this, one by one. You can read that. You can see I have given a simple diagram of the waterfall model also. And I explained all the disadvantages. Then we will go on to the other things. So you read this, you will feel it very easy to go on with the lab practicals. Okay, I'm trying to make it as simple as that. If you have any suggestions, you can go and tell me in the comment section. I will come up with that also. Because this is version 1.1, we will try to make it even simpler in the next versions. Fine. Okay, so you can see all the things are given here. Go through it. It will be very helpful for all the faculties and even for the students to understand what is going on here. Okay. So after that, you can see I have added some codes also. You can go through them, and I will also create videos on the same manual so that I can show you how I'm working from the manual and doing it. Okay, so that you can also understand what is going on. Fine. And every now and then you will see that. Let me go on top and show you something here. You can see here. First, I have my introduction, then you have the outcomes, software requirements, then introduction to SDLC. Then you can have Git and GitHub notes and documentation. If you click here, it will go and you can see this is the proper curated notes and documentation of GitHub. Okay, you can learn everything from here. So I've given every single thing that will be required for you to start with program number 1 or experiment number 1 and go until 6. And gradually, give me some time, I'll come up with the other things also. Okay, so you can see everything is given. So what I've done before even going to experiment number 1, what do you need? You need some introduction of SDLC, the models and agile and all those things, correct? And after that, Git and GitHub notes. And just to follow along with your lab, I have also given you Git simplified. You can see here, this is simplified beginner's guide. So you can directly start on with the lab experiment. That is also given. Fine. So this is my target actually, to make simple things so that everybody who is watching or learning can understand easily. Fine. After that, you can see Maven notes and documentation, then experiment 1 is starting. Then after that, experiment 2 is starting. So everything is step by step, guys. Just go through it, you will understand everything. Any feedback, any changes that you need, any modifications, you can tell me, I will do that. Fine. So all these things are here. You can see Gradle notes, then experiment 3 starts. Not randomly, we cannot start with any experiment, right? See, it's not about just creating a lab manual that will only cater to experiments. You have to understand and explain them to the students also. So that's why I've tried to create it like that. Okay, fine. After that, you can see Jenkins documentation and then the experiments. We'll go on and learn about all these things when you are actually, I'm working out with the videos. Okay, at the time it will happen. Don't worry. Fine. So you can go through this documentation and I hope you will like it. Please give your feedbacks. It really matters a lot. And if you really like the content, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon and just comment in the comment section that subscribed. Okay, that is very important. And if you learned something, please write learned really something. It is awesome. I need some motivation because we are doing this for free for you guys. So at least I need some comments from everyone who is watching this video, and you have to tell me that what you liked, and all positive feedbacks or negative feedbacks, whatever you have, please make sure you write them in the comment section so that we can understand what extra we can do for you guys. Okay, so now what I will do, I'll close this, and here what I will do, I'll go to my folder structure, and you can see here I am in my latest doc. So I'll right click and go to git bash here, and I'll just create a directory mkdir, say DevOps VTU Lab Manuals. So I created that. I'll cd into that, or we can do one thing also. I'll do it here manually, so that because you don't have idea of Git right now, so I'll not do it. So I'll open this. This is the empty folder. So here, what I'll do, I'll just copy this file from here and I'll paste it here. Fine. Let me paste it here. So this is the whole manual. If I open this in front of you, you can see, yeah, this is the same manual, no problem at all. Okay. So it has become a little bit big, guys, but I did not have any choice. I had to make things easy also, so that, see, only teaching the program or the experiment will not help you. So you have to tell them why this thing is needed, why that thing is needed. So I have tried to make it like that. Okay. So if you have anything that you want to improvise on this, you can do it. Okay. No problem at all. Fine. So here what I'll do, I'll go back to my git bash, and here I'll just say git status. Okay, I've added that file, so I'll say git add dot. So it'll take some time. Yeah, it added. I'll say git commit -m added the manual DevOps manual version 1.1. Okay, press enter and fine. I'll just push -u origin master. I've added all those, so I'm doing it like this. You guys don't have to understand this right now. What I'm doing is I'm just pushing my PDF to the online repo so that you can get the link. Okay, fine. This is done. I'll just say git log -one line and check. Yeah, fine. This is fine. Okay, git status, and I'll just clear. Okay, and exit this. What I'll do, I'll go back to my GitHub and refresh this. Fine, go to latest docs and let me refresh and go to resources and let's see. Yeah guys, you can see here DevOps VTU Lab Manuals that has been added here, and inside that you can see version 1.1.pdf. If I open this, it will take some time. It is a large file, so let's wait for a moment and just let it load. Yeah, it has loaded. See, you can see it's loaded a part of it. So yep guys, here you go. The version 1.1 is ready and available to you through this link. I will add this link in the description. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, you can just go through this folder and you can try to understand. You can see here, this is the whole repository access. I'll just copy this URL, add it to the YouTube description. You can just find it there. Okay, if you have any doubts, please post them in the comment section. And guys, please go through each and every instruction and I've given how you will be able to explain in the company interviews also, how you'll be explained for faculties, how you'll be able to explain in the lab to the students also. That is very important. Every single detail, every flow has been given to you. Make sure you try to go through it and understand. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be personally looking into each comment and getting back to you. Okay, so here you go guys, the version 1.1 is released and thank you for watching. If you really like the video, please subscribe guys. Some are just coming and going back. I don't like that. If you are coming, if you're liking the content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Okay, and hit the bell icon so that you get notified. Thank you. This is Saurabh signing off. Bye bye and happy learning. All the best.